So to make your own finger paint, you only need flour and water, and you can use a gluten-free alternative if you have an allergy. But whatever amount of paint you want to make, it's just 2 parts water to 1 part flour. So I'm using 1 cup of water. That means I'll use half a cup of flour. And then you're just going to stir it. I actually think I'm going to use a whisk instead of a spatula. I think a whisk will get the clumps out of the flour a little bit better. I'm just going to stir it, get all the lumps out, make sure it's nice and smooth. Just keep stirring it to make sure that nothing burns on the bottom of your pot.
Once your mixture becomes a paste, take it off the heat. You're going to add a pinch of salt, and that's just to make sure it doesn't go bad. And once you stir that in, the last thing you need to do is add in about 1/4 cup of cold water. You can add more or less depending on how thick you want your finger paint to be. Stir until you get the right thickness that you're looking for. And then you're going to pour the mixture into some small bowls or cups. I made a lot, so I actually have leftover paint, and I just set that extra in the fridge for later. I'm adding food coloring. You can find these boxes at the grocery store. They usually sell the normal assorted colors as well as neon colors. Add a few drops. You can add a few at a time and mix until you get the color that you're looking for. I like very bright, vibrant colors, so I add quite a few drops. If you don't have the colors you're looking for, use the standard box, which comes with all 3 primary colors. I'm going to use yellow and blue. Now, if you've color mixed with me before, you know that you only add a little bit of the darker color. So I'm only adding 1 drop of blue to about 5 or 6 drops of yellow. Once I mix it up, I notice that the color is a little greener than I want. I kind of wanted more of a blue-green, so I'm adding another drop of blue. As you color mix, you can adjust like this pretty easily. Just mix a little bit at a time. Once your paint is cool, it's ready to use. It does take a little while to dry, so find a nice safe spot to leave it once you finish. And the paint can be stored in the fridge indefinitely. Just cover it with a little bit of plastic wrap.